Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for IKEA.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload a new video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you that in this YouTube channel Adnan Syrian, I provide promo codes for so much other companies like DoorDash, Sephora, Overstock, Pretty Little Things, QVC, and so much other companies like Finish Line, 1800, Michaels, Groupon, Gap, ASOS, Boston, so much other companies like Target, Shein, Turo, Priceline, Kohl's, and Uber Eats. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get a huge discount on so much other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. Today I have one new promo code for you. Let's get started. Today I have one new promo code for you. This will give you the code number 1. This will give you 50% off on your order. So stay tuned and watch this video till end. So the code number 1 I'm going to provide you is S. The first letter is S, then 7, S7 3, S7 3K, S7 3K, S B Q 2, then this is the code number 1. Simply redeem this code and get up to 50% off on your order. So I hope you like this video, and I hope you will share this video with your friends. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.